So welcome back to Shruti Talks. Today I will talking about the BSc degree in data science from IIT Madras doing without JE. So in this video I will be talking about a detailed online BSc degree program in a data science from IIT Madras. Make sure you will be hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and let's get started. IIT Madras NRF ranking is 1 in 2023, and IIT Madras is also known for a forward moving IIT.
Data science is a growing field and a high demandable skill in the market.
IIT Madras started this BS degree program to provide a high quality education to learners across the country. So most important things that IIT Madras also support a student by a financially by providing a scholarship.
So now we're talking about how you can apply for admission.
So anyone who can pass class 12th.
And second is also school students who has appearing for their class 11th final exam for any streams. They also join this program after passing the class 12th.
So now talking about the eligibility criteria. So two type of entry are there. First the regular basis entry, and second it should be JE based entry.
So now we talk about a regular entry in a detailed way. So first the regular entry applicants must be go through a qualifier process to earn a admission in a foundation level. And qualifier preparation was also given to you, and qualifier process include 4 weeks of course based on a lecture video assignments and a live sessions of a 4 foundation level courses of English, mathematics for a data science, and statistics for a data science, and computationally thinking. Passing criteria for a qualifier exam is given here. For each category is requirement, and you have to be pass the qualifier exam after you should be registered for a foundation level courses. So second entry is JE based entry, where you have to be qualified for a current year JE advance, and you have to be directly joined for this program. When you pass out the qualifier level exam, you will be go for a foundation level courses where the 32 credits are available, and after you should be have a benefit that
So you will be exit with a foundation level certificate from IIT Madras.
after doing a foundation level course you have a diploma level in a second year, and it's have a 52 credits. You have want a exit after diploma level, you have to be a proper certificate was given to you, and after you will be come to be a third year, then it will be give a degree level BSc which have a 28 credits of third year, and you want to continue as a fourth year of full certificate, then it will be given a BS degree program in a data science in a fourth year. So proper level of IIT Madras certificate was given to you when you exit from each level of courses. So you have to be pay a fee at the each level of courses, just like the foundation course. So the 32,000 rupees required, and the foundation plus one diploma is 94,000 rupees, and the 4 year of degree you should be taken the BSc, then it will be approx 3 lakh rupees is required. So now the special things for a learner is provided, that the scholarship was given to you as a category wise as a family income.
Family income is less than 5 LPA and more than 1 LPA, then you have to be pay only 50% of your fee right now. And your family income is less than 1 LPA, then you have to be pay only 25% of all the fee of a course right now.
So best things is that the best online program award was given by a University of Pennsylvania. So internship and placement was also given to a student as their policy. So application was open for a January batch 2024. So apply now. So application fee is also given as a category wise, just like OBC and general is given to be a 3000 rupees, and SC/ST category is also required only the 1500 rupees. So go now and check out the website for a further more detail and link in
So if
description.
you have any query related to this, then let me know in a comment below, and make sure you will be hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel for this type of amazing video.